So you guys see this right here. This is the look of a stock chart that's not looking good. Palantir stock right now is down over 2% on the day, and well, we're at 30 bucks per share, barely holding on as the entire stock market is taking a beating. You guys can see the S&P is down 1.4%, Russell, NASDAQ, each of those are down 2.2%, and the Dow's down over 1% as the VIX is up 16 freaking percent. So guys, we're going to break down the charts here, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. So run the likes up, make sure to subscribe and snag up your free stocks, up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get on it. Again, use that link or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So again, the entire market is selling off right now, which historically speaking, September, I'm not sure if it's the worst month. It might very well be. I have to go brush up on my stock market history statistics, guys. But I could tell you for sure, if it's not the worst month, it's one of the worst months, historically speaking, for the stock market. And it's almost like it's programmed to go down the first day of September. I mean, this is like it is the first trading day of September, and we're dumping off aggressively. Pretty much every stock on my watch list is selling off here. And like I said, PLTR is down over 2%. If I pull up the 20-day 1 hour chart, it looks like the sideways trading here is continuing. We hit 33 bucks back in the end of August, mid-end of August, right? Then we started selling off down to about 30 bucks. Then we got a pop last week to about 32. But ultimately, we've been trading pretty flat, right? Ever since the middle of August, right around $30, $31, $32 per share. So about a month now, we've been trading sideways, and it's almost like, what's going to happen next? We're all waiting for that next move, and I don't know. The chart is not really pointing to either direction at this point, at least as of now. I mean, on this 1 hour time frame, we do have a death cross. We are under, as of today's dump, both moving averages, but then again, we're actually holding an uptrend still. You guys see this right here. Higher lows are being made. So it's like we have to wait. There's no clear signs for direction on this stock right now, unlike some other stocks. Some other stocks we can clearly see whether the trend's pointing for more upside, more downside. But PLTR is obviously very sideways. It's been trading flat, and now over the last couple of days, pretty much the past week, we've been forming a wedge. Like I said, higher lows have been made, but lower highs at the same time, pretty much ever since the end of August, right? You guys see that right here, and maybe even some inverse head and shoulders action. You guys see that as well. Let me draw this out. We have the left shoulder right here, got the head right here, boom. Right shoulder right here could be potentially forming at this point. Not 100% guaranteed, but yeah, that's why my alert is set at 31.75. So if we do get that break back over the moving averages, break out of the wedge, maybe that right shoulder in this inverse head and shoulders could start playing out, right? You guys pretty much see that right here. So at this point, honestly, guys, I wish I had more to tell you, but it's really just a wait-and-see approach on the stock, and I mean, it's holding up pretty decently in the face of this red day. This stock easily could have been down 3, 4, 5% on a day like today. I mean, for Pete's sake, Nvidia's down 7% today. Palantir easily could have been down 5, 6%, but we're holding up down pretty much as the S&P, or excuse me, the NASDAQ and the Russell today, which I'll take it, man. I'll take it. This goes to show the bulls are really respecting that $30 level of support, which we'll see if that continues, guys. We'll see if that continues. So alerts are set. $31.75. I have some more here. Looks like $33 and $33 And on the 4-hour chart, I mean, guys, we can still see we're looking really good. Obviously still uptrending. We're up 100% off the lows from the beginning of this year where we hit $15 per share. So this is nothing to freak out about, nothing worth panic selling over or anything stupid like that. I just think it's a wait and see approach. Hold on and relax. That's kind of what I'm doing at this point. And one really good sign for the bulls is the fact that last week we bounced off $30, which that's right at the 180 SMA support here on the 4-hour chart. And $30, mind you, $29.30, that's where we were peaking in, it looks like here, early July, mid-July, into August, right? Early August. So the fact that we held that old resistance as support, we held above the 180 SMA as support as well. This is a very good sign overall. And let's just see now, as the stock kind of figures itself out in the short term, what direction we end up picking, right? So that's a quick breakdown here on PLTR. I'm just holding on. I'm not looking to buy more at this point. I'm obviously not selling here. I'm just holding on. And yeah, what are you guys doing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below on that. And by the way, I have a mailing list. If you put your first name and your email address, I send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday for free. Check it out. Link down below, guys. I think it's the second link in the description box. Also pinned in the comment section down below. Check it out. And it looks like a bunch of other stocks are obviously in the red right now. CrowdStrike, which I'm also long, we can see is down about 3%, battling at a key spot on the charts at about 270, 275, right around this point, which, mind you, that was support for months on CrowdStrike. It looks like here from, let's see here, middle of January all throughout the middle, end of July, we held that point on CrowdStrike. Then we obviously got the data, the IT outage rather. I was going to say the data breach. IT outage, we got that. Boom, stock halved pretty much 50% down, and we got to 195. Now we're back to 270, 275. This spot's going to be big for the stock here, guys. If it retakes it, which it looks like it wants to, I'll put my alert at 280 for now. There could be a lot more upside if that point breaks, in my humble opinion, which you guys must do your own research. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, yada, 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 yada. You get the point, right? So alert set at 280 on CrowdStrike, and on PLTR, it is set at, what did I say here again? $31.75, $33, and $33.50. So guys, what are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks for a moo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/moo. And until Jerome Powell cuts the rates, you'll be able to earn up to 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash, which is unbelievable. So use that link. Go to stocksurfast.com/moo, and I'll catch you in the next video.